Alright guys, hey, I've been looking on YouTube all around. I never saw an unboxing of these shoes that I'm about to unbox right now. So I decided, hey, why not do it? I mean, I got a camera, I got these shoes, just make the video. So, let's get right to it. Yes sir, hey, it's your boy Fresco Poppy, man. And I just got this package in the mail. Let's go ahead and open and see what it is. Bear with me, I'm using one hand. So what's this? I already got insurance, thank you. Hide all that stuff. Okay, Foot Locker be doing extra. But anyways, I wanted to make this video because I didn't see these shoes anywhere online. What shoes am I talking about? I'm talking about the Air Force 270s. Let's go ahead and take a look. Wowzers. I think they look better in person, for real. My goodness. With the gum soles. I like it. So yeah guys, just the shoes. My review, maybe 8, 9 out of 10. Like I said, it kind of looks Kanye-esque-ish. But the colors, like I like it. It's the off-white kind of color with the light blue and the little light blue right here. I'm sure I'm not a shoe expert or anything like that. I just buy shoes because I like to wear them. But the attention to detail is just really nice on these shoes. And like I said, I'm surprised I was able to grab these. They sold out quick. Apparently they were only out in the UK or something, but I was able to grab it on footlocker.com really quick. Like as soon as they hit 10 o'clock, and as soon as I refreshed the page, bro, they got sold out. So yeah, shout out to Nike for these. They were almost losing me for a minute, but you know, they're pretty cute. They're pretty fresh. We'll see if I decide to keep these or resell them. Right now, it's looking like a keep. Pause. Can I just share my thoughts real quick, ladies and gentlemen? All your brothers think you styling, yep, you right. You spending all your money on clothes just to look fly. You spending all your money on weed just to get high. Sitting there running the lead, fast time passes by, not thinking twice where your life is headed. My nigga, you gotta change before you regret it. Life is too short to be engaged on the material things. I hope you're not just bumping your head and you're listening. I mean, you got some nice clothes, man, that's cool with me. You got pretty girls, man, that's cool with me. You got a little money, a little jewelry, but you know you niggas will never ever be me. I had to adjust the life. God help me to adjust the light so I can just live right. I have my own goals, so I gotta keep that.